What's up guys, it's Tristan. Today I'm going to be changing the oil on my 2020 Jetta right behind me. This will also be a step-by-step guide if you guys at home have a Jetta. Alrighty, and first thing, you're going to need the essentials. You're going to need an oil filter, and I'm going with a K&N Performance oil filter because my car is heavily modded. And of course, you're going to need some good high quality oil. I'm using a European grade oil, but of course, do your own research first. Also, don't forget to wear some neoprene gloves, grab a shop rag, and a trash bag for any trash. Next thing, find the jack point and jack up one side of your car. Also, don't forget your oil pan and funnel. Side note, you're gonna need a plastic drain plug. Once you've gone under the car, taken this drain plug out and put a new one back in, you're gonna wanna go ahead and replace the oil filter. Alrighty, it's time to replace the oil filter now.
Cantina look in here without the carpet.
Alrighty, now you got this out, go ahead and replace it. Alrighty, once you get that filter out, go ahead and replace the O-ring and you can put the new filter in. Alrighty, here's the new O-ring, let's go ahead and put it on. And this is what it looks like on. Now we can go ahead and put the new filter in. Alright, let's go ahead and screw this back in. Alright, now let's get the new oil in the car.
Baby, you hit me up all night. See, lately I've been quite alright. If you with me, better ride or die. We did it from a...
While we're under the hood, we're gonna put some more coolant in as well. What is it? Let's go ahead, clean up everything a little bit. Alrighty, everything's finished up. Let's go ahead and reset the oil lamp. So on the Jetta GLI, you're gonna wanna use the arrows on the right side of your steering wheel. Scroll down to range, click OK, and hold down OK for 5 seconds, and then let go. Then it's gonna bring up this menu. You're gonna go ahead and go to reset oil change service and click on that. It's gonna ask you if you want to confirm and click OK. And that's it. And that's gonna be how you change the oil on your 2020 Jetta GLI. Thank you guys for watching. Stay driven.
Yeah, mixed drinks, now I mix vocals. Used to skip roll